The DRVI motor has multiple connectors, each with different functions. Today, we will see how to connect them and what they are used for. The first and most important connector, located at the top right, is the power connector. The pins on this connector provide the logic power, which operates the protocol communication and must be powered at 24 volts, and the power supply, which moves the motor and can be powered at 24 volts. However, to achieve maximum performance, a voltage of 48 volts is required. The second connector, located at the top left, is called GPIO and is mainly used to connect the sensor for the homing procedure to pins 9, positive, and 10, negative. This connector can also be used for many other functions, including additional power supply, pins 12 and 11. Additionally, by adding another sensor to pins 7 and 8, this connector enables the creation of software limits. The third connector, located in the center, is the STO Safe Torque Off connector. This connector is present only when required and has a safety function. If it is not powered with 24 volts on pins 1 and 3, the DRVI does not allow torque to be enabled on the motor. If the safety function is not necessary, a plug will be present in place of the connector.